Hi everyone. I wanted to jump on today and take you through how to retarget your ads post Apple iOS 14 update. And I know for a lot of you, it has been an absolute nightmare because it's literally stopped us from retargeting so many potential people because of the ad blockers. But let me show you the tricks that I use with my clients and students in order to help them get results with their retargeting. So first up, we are going to go to our audiences section on the Facebook Ads Manager. So basically, the custom audiences section is the section that we go to create retargeting audiences. So as you can see on this screen, there are numerous ways that we can retarget our audience. Now, I'm not going to cover that in this tutorial. I've actually got a custom audiences tutorial that's in my blog, and there's also another YouTube video on that as well. And you can head over there for a more detailed explanation. I'll put the link in the below for you. But basically, historically, when we were retargeting our ads, we would use anyone that had visited our website in the past, customer lists, so any of our customer lists or email lists that had opted into marketing. And they were basically the best way to retarget our ads because they were our warmest leads. We knew that they'd taken the effort to leave our ads and click through to our website and either give us their email address or actually just view our products or services. So we knew that they were going to be the highest converting people in our audience. Now, because of that blockage that I guess Apple's put on our accounts, our audience size is now affected. So we can't track anywhere near as many people that hit our website, which means we can't retarget them. Our customer and email list won't change, but before, majority of our audiences would actually come from the website traffic. And unfortunately, we can't access that now. So we need to adapt and find new ways of doing things. And there's always workarounds. And Facebook is really good at finding the best people to buy what we're offering if we give them the opportunity. So how can we do this post Apple iOS? Now, I'm going to give you the trick that we use in our agency and with our students in order to get the results. Now, the way that you do that is by actually increasing the pool of people that Facebook can advertise to within your audience. So there's still people that have engaged with your brand, product, or service in some way or another. It's just that they haven't taken the leap from your website, to your website, sorry. So there are numerous other ways. So let's take a look. You've got people that have watched a video on your ad or your social media, Facebook and Instagram platforms, people that may have filled out a lead form in an ad. You've got instant experience, or people that have looked at your shopping pages, people that may have attended an event, people that may have interacted with your Facebook page or Instagram account or listings. So there are so many different ways that you can target. Now, my, recommendation here would be to go for people that have watched a video, and I go through that in more detail in the actual custom audiences tutorial that I'll post below and what to choose. I'd also go for anyone that's filled out a lead form, but they're most likely on your email list already, which you'd be uploading in customer list. And then people that have interacted with your Facebook or Instagram. So if you increase your audience pool from your core audiences that we used to retarget and target people within, so you're starting off with your website, your email and your customer list, and then you add in, say, your video audiences, your lead forms, and then people that have interacted with you on your Facebook or Instagram accounts, that'll actually increase the pool size of people that Facebook can advertise to. And Facebook knows who within your audience will optimize for the event that you choose. So if you say, Facebook, can you look for people that are likely to purchase using the conversion objective within my ads, it'll go looking through your big pool of people and it'll look for the people that are most likely to buy based on past behavior. And trust me, this works. It's been working with my students and my clients, and I guarantee it'll work for you. It still requires testing. Everything in ads always requires testing. So test whether video is working, test whether Instagram's working for you. Test whether Facebook engagement or Facebook engaged audiences are working for you. And I go through more of the structure again in the custom audiences, which I'll link below. But yeah, I hope you found that helpful. This is just a quick one to let you know how to increase your audience pool and get results retargeting post Apple iOS. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, can you just hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel? And I'll be bringing you plenty more of these to help you out, particularly post Apple iOS. Thanks, guys. Bye.